What is up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make the ultimate poke. I first tasted poke in Hawaii, and I can tell you that the first time that I tasted poke, I was in love. And poke is very simple to make. Alright, now I'm going to introduce our ingredients for today, starting with the Ahi Tuna. We're also going to use Dungeness crab, Japanese seaweed, onions, green onions, sesame seed, salt. Alright guys, before we do anything else, please don't forget to have fun in the kitchen. Alright guys, we're going to start with the Ahi Tuna. Alright, we're going to pat it dry. Alright, now we're going to cut the ahi into cubes. Alright guys, now we're gonna do the crab. Alright.
Hindi ka no baba na.
Itulod. Put the ahi first. And the crab. Alright, now we're going to put the seaweed. The onion and the green onion. Salt. sesame seed, alright, and lastly, we're going to put the sesame oil. Alright, now we're going to mix it. We're gonna add a little bit more green onions. Alright guys, this is the taste test. It's really good. Alright guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that notification bell so you get updated with my latest videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!